Pop Tom here. I'm going to ramble a little bit about road rage. Why are we in such a big hurry? Why are we changing so much? Comment, like, and subscribe. Let's see what I'm talking about. What am I thinking about? You are important. See you in a minute. Hello, Pop Tom here. We just want to thank you for visiting my channel. Ask that you subscribe if you like my content. To like, hit the button down below to get reminders. My content is kind of all over the place. It might be me just having a talk about something that's on my mind, or I might be trying to show you something, but it's kind of a mixed bag of things. Leave your comments below. If there's a topic you want me to cover, feel free to ask me to do that. I do ask that comments be kept kind and courteous. I do this just for my enjoyment and also to hopefully help others. You take care and God bless. Hi everybody, Papa Tom here. Glad you could join me today. Sorry I've not been on much. Been just working through some things. I think we're on to the right track for my pain I've had in my head and my face, so just ask for prayers. If anybody of you could do that, that'd be great. Also, remember to like and subscribe this video if you like it. If you don't like it, still, go back and look at some of the other videos. Who knows, maybe there's something there you might like. I was talking to the barber, and we're talking about how as we age, I don't know if we just mellow out or slow down, but we're talking about how it seems like everybody's in a hurry. Why is everybody in such a hurry? Like if the speed limit is, like here it's 100 kilometers an hour, or if it's 55 miles an hour, like a lot of the two lanes in the States are, 70 mile an hour, whatever it is. Why do you have to ride our butts if you're in a hurry? Go around us. Why do you have to, I don't know how many times I've been passed by somebody and not 5 minutes later, 10 minutes later, I catch up with them, and I just go on the speed limit or a little over. I don't always, like it's 100 here, I'm going 110. So, like he said the other day, he had somebody passing, there's snow on the road, ice, pass him going really fast and not 5 kilometers or 3 miles down the road. The guy was in the ditch. So, that hurry that he was in, he's now delayed for who knows how long. You hear of road rage increasing. You hear of just a lot of different things. And we were talking about our teens and how they're starting to get ready to take their learner's permit or their driver's permit, and how we try hard to teach them how to be a good driver, but yet there's all those people out there that we're more worried about than we are about them. What are your thoughts on this? What are your thoughts on why are we seem to be in such a hurry anymore? Why are we so impatient? Why are we, and I'm saying we because I'm sure there's times I'm that way. Try not to be. I try to be as courteous as I can be no matter what I'm doing, but why are we seeing more assaults and those kind of things just over stupid stuff? I don't know the answer to that. This is called Papa Tom's Thoughts. These are just my thoughts. I don't ever claim to be professional or knowledgeable in all these ideas. These are just me rambling on. What are your thoughts on this? Why are we the way we are? Part of it, I think, is we're stressed financially. A lot of people, they just don't have the money. Their jobs push them to where they have to be at a certain place at a certain time. They're making them work really crazy hours in some positions, some jobs out there. Some people have to have 2 jobs to try to make things work. So they're probably going from one job to another. I don't know. It's sad. It hurts me as I see more and more of this going on. Anyway, just my thoughts. I want you all to have a great day. Take care of yourself. God bless, and just be known that you are loved. God loves you, and you're special. Take care. Remember to like and subscribe, please. I would sure like to get this word out to more people. I see there are people that are viewing, but not getting many likes. So, let's try to like it. Even if you don't like this particular video, maybe there's another one that you might like. I am going to redo the first aid one. I apologize. That one wasn't one of my best. I'm going to try to redo it and do a better job on that one. After I watched it, after I posted it, I don't do a lot of editing. I just basically kick this stuff out. So after I watched it for a couple times, I know I can do better, and I'm going to work on that. And so I just want to apologize for that. Anyway, take care. Comment below. Where are you from? What are you doing today? You take care and have an amazing day. Bye for now.